stock market. Stock market is one of the things people compare it with the gambling. People say that stock market is a gambling. At least some people in India. Now I want to clear that if you study well and then invest, it will definitely give you a good return with respect to FDs, with respect to other investment. Stock market is the power to give you a good amount of returns in next 5 to 10 years. For a long term investment, it is one of the great investment. So hey guys, today in this video we're gonna talk about 5 sectors in which you should definitely invest for a better returns in a long-term investment. Long-term investment here is 5 years. These sectors stocks have provided really good returns in the last 5 years, and they will definitely do it in the next 5 years, because these are some of the obvious sectors. These are some of the things these sectors are basically backed by a need. We consumer definitely need this sector, and I totally think that if you invest in the stocks which are the need of an hour, if you invest in a stock whose need are not going to be depreciating, then these sectors will go up. So hey guys, today let's talk about the 5 sectors. Now the first sector is FMCG sector. Look around you, from shampoo to biscuit to bakery products, everything. We use a lot of FMCG products, and FMCG products are the need for us. And definitely in the pandemic as well, we didn't stop shopping. We purchased something online, we ordered online, but we were purchasing the FMCG products. That is the demand of FMCG products in the country. Along with that, FMCG products are such that their urban area demand and rural area demand is both same. That also make FMCG products really great and valuable and a good investment too. Along with that, FMCG products have shown a good result in the last 5 years, and they will definitely do in the next 5 years. So you should definitely invest in FMCG sector. Now some of the stocks of FMCG sectors which I really like is Britannia. Britannia has shown a good amount of returns in the last 5 years. Along with that, Nestle. Now for many people, Nestle might be a quite costly stock, and the reason is it is around 16,800 per share. So it's quite costly. So if you can afford, you should definitely invest. I will not ask you to invest only in one stock. If your investment amount is 16,000 and you are investing whole amount in only one stock, that is not something which makes sense, because even Maggi was banned at some time, and that time Nestle stock has gone down. So these things also happen. So you should definitely think, if your investment amount is more, then only you should invest in Nestle. Other than that, you should not invest in Nestle. The third stock is ITC. Now this is a bit slow stock, but I have invested in it, but it's not going up much, it's not going down much, it's quite a slow stock. So yeah, you should think about this stock. You need to keep patience, but I think that they are doing quite well in the FMCG sector, and the stock price will definitely increase. And these were the 3 stock. Along with that, the Tata Consumer Product Limited is one of the great stock. You can definitely invest in that stock as well. It has corrected a bit, so you can think over that stock and you can definitely invest. Now the second sector is automobile sector. Now here we talked about one of the sector whose demand do not go down in any situation. This is a non-cyclical sector, but this is a cyclical sector. Now what is cyclical sector? Now cyclical sector or cyclical industries are those industries whose demand depends on the growing economy. If the economy is growing, the cyclical sectors will grow. Now automobile is the cyclical sector, but I personally think the need of automobile has increased a lot in the last 5 years, and we people also see around us that the lots of people are purchasing cars. It might be second hand, it might be first hand, people are purchasing the car. So definitely the demand of the car in the country has increased a lot. If you compare the back 10 years ago, it was a luxury. Today people feel it as a need, or at least a partial need. So definitely car demand has really increased in the country, so you can definitely invest in automobile sector. Along with that, one of the positive news about automobile sector is the scrapping policy. In the new budget, the scrapping policy was clearly mentioned that if the car is 10 years old, the car will be going in the scrapping policy, so which will also increase the demand for new car. And the next thing is, India has signed, along with many other countries, has signed a pact according to which India and many other countries will try to become a dominant electric vehicle country. So if the dominance of electric vehicle will come in our countries, there will be a lot of incentives, and even the electric vehicle demand will increase in the country. So because of which the companies who make electric vehicles, or the companies who make the raw materials or the machineries of electric vehicles, their demand will also increase. So one of the company which I personally like is Amar Raja Battery. Fundamentally great stock, and definitely you can invest. It has corrected a bit because of the pandemic. In Andhra Pradesh the factories were a bit closed, because of which it has corrected a bit. Customers of Amar Raja Batteries are Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Hyundai, and many other big automobile companies. So you can definitely invest in this stock. Along with that, Maruti Suzuki and Mahindra are the great fundamental stocks. You can go and invest in that as well. Third sector is insurance sector. Because of pandemic, because of other issues, people have got bit aware about insurance. Their requirement of insurance has gone a really great highs, and you can definitely invest in insurance sector. According to one news, by 2022, 22% increase in the premium of insurance will come. So definitely insurance sector is one of the sector who have a lot of liquidity, who have a lot of profit, and also a lot of demand. So you can definitely invest in the insurance sector. Now two stocks which I really like in insurance sector is SBI Life Insurance and HDFC Life Insurance. Those are fundamentally really good stocks, and their last quarter's results also were really good. So you can definitely invest in these two stocks. So insurance sector is also great sector. The fourth sector is IT sector. Look around you. From smart homes to smart watches to softwares you use in your computer, in your mobile, all are made by IT sector. So IT sector demand in the country has gone up, and in the last 5 years, because of the internet revolution, thanks to Jio which has took place, the IT sector has gone much on a high. So IT sector is something you can definitely invest, and you will get a high returns. Now some of the stocks in IT sectors are, all will tell you these stocks only, and these are HCL Technologies, Wipro, Infosys, and TCS. Now these are the 4 big stocks, and these are the kind of big stocks in their industries, and many of you might have heard about these stocks even if you are not a part of a stock market. And Wipro is one of the fundamentally great stock, because all are great, but I will be a bit biased about Wipro because I have invested in this stock around 400 rupees, and it has gone to 520 now. So it has given me a good amount of returns. So I am a bit biased about Wipro because it is a bit slow stock, but after the last quarter result, the Wipro has gone a good high. So definitely you can invest in these 4 stocks, really good. Along with that, you can invest in the mid cap stocks of IT sector. Now why I am saying this, because IT sector is a kind of a growing industry in India, and there are not many companies. So there are some mid cap companies who are doing really great, and if you invest in that, you will get a high returns in the long term. So you can definitely go and invest in a mid cap industry as well, but with knowledge. Don't go and hurry up and invest in any stock and it will not give a good return. If you do not have much knowledge, you invest in any of these 4 stocks. These are the fundamentally really great stocks. These are big companies, they will not fall. These are large cap stocks, so you should definitely invest in this 4 stock, any of the 4 stock basically, if you are interested in IT sector. Now the fifth and the final sector is infrastructure. Look around you, man. From roads to bridge to railway station to airport, the construction is all around happening, and because of which infrastructure sector is one of the sector. Actually, it's one of the feature of the developing nation that there is a lot of infrastructure activities happening, and because of we are a developing nation, the infrastructure sector stocks will go up and up and up. So you can definitely invest in infrastructure sector as well. Here I will advise you to invest in either cement stocks, because cement stocks are really great. They go really high, but I have not fundamentally analyzed cement stocks, so I will not give you any specific stock, but there are lots of cement stock, you can go and invest in that. Along with that, the second stock which I really like is L&T. Larsen & Toubro is one of the infrastructure leaders in the country, and definitely it is a really great fundamental stock. So you can definitely invest in Larsen & Toubro as well. These were the 5 sectors you can definitely invest. Now what are the apps you should use for investing? Now I personally like Zerodha and Upstocks. You can choose any of these 2 and you can start your investment. Now these were some of the sectors, and I also told you the apps. Now one thing I want to tell you, I am not clearly giving you the advice to invest in these stocks, but the thing is I have fundamentally analyzed all these stocks. So I personally think instead of investing in some penny stocks and getting bad returns, you should definitely invest in these fundamentally backed stocks and you should get good returns. Because people think that the stock market is risky, but no. People generally choose wrong stock. People generally think that we should choose penny stock and it will become a multi-bagger. See, this thing happen once in a moon night. It do not happen every time. It do not happen with every stock. If you want to take risk, if you want the high returns quite early, then you should invest in bitcoins and altcoins. Basically, you should invest in cryptocurrencies. Like Dogecoin has gone quite up, but there is high risk as well. So definitely that dialogue risk है तो इसके is quite applicable here as well. So but if you want a subtle amount of returns, more than FD at least 13 to 14% return, then you should definitely invest in these fundamentally backed stocks. This was the video, and also I have made the video about Bitcoin, so you can check around it. The link will be coming, or the video will be coming here, so you can check that video as well. This was all from this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Also, the link of Instagram page has been given in the description. You can follow it as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.